Hey family, Coach Nyiri here, and today I'm taking you through a super quick total body burn. In just 12 minutes, we're going to tighten up all of your muscles just using your body weight. Now, if you're feeling a little stiff or tight or tender in certain areas, make sure to check out my Mobility for Beginners workout. That will help you feel a lot better going into this workout. So today, our workout is going to be 2 rounds of 2 circuits. So make sure that you have felt everything. All right, let's get ready. So starting with our first second, we're going to put the timer on the clock of 30 seconds. We're going to start with some squat rocks. For this particular movement, we're just warming up the bottom half and also working on our ankle mobility and balance. Make sure to keep a nice tight core throughout the whole time. All right, here goes, guys, in 3, 2, and 1. Keeping a low position as we rock. Just imagine you are a rocking chair. Stay low in that squat, tighten up that belly, and try not to bounce. So keep everything level, nice and easy. There we go. Lifting those toes off the floor, shifting the weight from the heels to the toes, finishing up in 4, 3, 2, and 1. Moving on, posterior plank, extending the legs, hands underneath the shoulders, eyes to the ceiling, squeezing the glutes as you lift, and 3, 2, 1, here we go. Opening up the shoulders, the chest, they're really focusing on squeezing the shoulder blades together. Now you can hold in that position, or you can drop. If this bothers your shoulders, you can widen the position of your hands. Just make sure to squeeze your glutes. That way we warm up our hamstrings as well. Bracing the core, tightening up that tummy area as well. Big squeeze, moving on. Skater 3-point lunge. We're gonna be going from one side, toe, forward, side, reverse, forward, side. The key here is staying low. 3, 2, begin. Here we go. Point, side, back. Stay low. Forward, side, back. Good. Here we go. Nice and steady tempo. You should feel that heart rate elevating here. Again, this first circuit is kind of a primer for our second round. All the way around. Big semicircle. 3, 2, and 1. All right, heading down towards the floor into our plank, glute kick, excuse me. All right, plank position, straight leg raise, nice and easy. Modified, you can take that straight leg position from the knees and begin. All right, in this position, I want you to try to also keep your tailbone tucked under. So we're engaging the core. Keep your shoulders stacked over your elbows. And keep that going. We are completing our first round here for our first circuit. Big glute squeeze, big glute kick. All right, back to the top, squat rocks. It's your time to turn it up now. Now that your body knows what to anticipate, I want you to get lower, give you some more range of motion. We're gonna pick it up a notch. 3, 2, and 1. We sink, heel to toe. Heel to toe. Now try to keep an upright position with that upper body. Practice bracing. Belly button to spine. Load the legs right here. Keep those hips back. You can widen your stance if you'd like. Ooh, you should be feeling this quad burn, hamstring burn, glute burn, and those calves. 3, 2, 1. Posterior plank, heading down. I'm going into single reps, but controlled. Remember, squeezing those glutes at the top, as well as opening up the chest. 3, 2, 1, and here we go. Big extension, up, squeeze the glutes, tap down. Up, tap down, up. You need a modification here. Go into a crab position and still maintain a nice straight line across the body. Almost done here. Deep breath. You guys should be feeling that upper body. And 3, 2, and 1. Woo. Moving on. Skater 3-point lunge. Get in that low stance. Starting one leg forward. Try to keep those legs nice and long and stay low. No bouncing. 3, 2, 1. I'm starting on the opposite side. Bringing it around. This is great for hip mobility. We're strengthening both sides of the body here with this unilateral movement, making sure to keep our balance between each leg. One leg seems to dominate over the other, I know. All right, here we go, all the way around. Give me another one, tight tummies. All right, plank glute kick. Practice from that plank position. Elbows or forearms. Get ready, straight leg raise. Hold that plank position. Draw the belly button up towards the spine. We'll start that kick now. Here we go. Big glute squeeze as you lift those feet off the floor. Try to keep those hips stable. So try not to rock the body. Full body movement right here. Get the most out of it. You got this. Big glute squeeze. Maintain that upper body strength. Belly's in. Almost done, guys. Break is coming. Woo! All right, first circuit done. If you really enjoyed that, go through that another round. I encourage you. More is better, but make sure it's quality, okay? All right, so we're moving into our second circuit. If you really liked that first circuit, smash that like button right now. I am moving on. All right, so we are picking it up a notch, a little bit more plyometrics within this second circuit. All right, so the first thing we're gonna start off with is an inchworm hop. Starting at one side of your mat, we're gonna extend the arms down, inchworm out, hop to the hands, flip. Now that option to turn and hop, that's extra, all right? So you do what you can do, okay? All right. You can also bend your knees as you go down, reaching for the toes. This is the time to turn it up, burning those extra calories. 3, 2, 1, here we go. Inchworm out, big, tuck, hop, repeat. Tuck, hop, repeat. Woo. Pace yourself here. If you cannot hop inwards, just take a step forward. If you lose your balance, just start over again. This is not meant to look perfect. Woo. Come on. 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, next up, side plank stars. Gonna twist it up for you. Stacking the arms. We're gonna roll over to our side plank. Star arm, star leg. Other side. Star arm, star leg. Stack the arms. Roll. Open. Stack the arms. Roll. Open. Nice tempo, guys. Woo! Get that top leg up into the air. Big stretch. Maintain belly button to spine. Nice little rock here. Good shoulder burn. You got this. In 3, 2, and 1. All right, here we go. Double pulse. Split squat hops. 1, 2, switch. 1, 2, switch. Oh yeah. Here we go. Now, 1, 2, switch. Soft on your landing. If the hop is too much, just pulse either way. Nice lower body burn here. Jacking that heart rate up. Use the arms to get a little more out of it. Oh yeah. Doing big things here, guys. 4, 3, 2, 1. Taking to the floor. Solo abs right here. We've got a balanced roll to both tiny roll balance to boat. You can tap the floor if you need to, okay? Let's go. Roll, boat hold. As you roll, tuck that belly button in. As you climb up to the top, chest is high. Now if you can release the hands, oh yeah. Woo! Come on. Use your toes if you need to. Woo! Consider this your active recovery, but killing those abs along the way. End of round one. All right, guys, back to the top. This is it. Going back to our inchworm hop finale right here. Last 4 exercises. Let's sweat it out. 3, 2, 1. Give me some good quality tempo. Big hop. Try to do more than your first round. Remember, lose the hop and just step in. Woo, come on. Give me some hype on that spin. Almost done here. Nice big walkout. Come on. 4, 3, 2. Ooh, did more than the last one. I hope you did too. All right, side plank stars. Forearm position. Stack them. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I don't know about you, but I'm taking that full 15-second break. Woo! All right, control this. Refocus your attention to the belly. Working the outer part of those legs. Woo! Slow and controlled. Deep breaths. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right. Last big burner for those legs. Come on. Everybody try to hop with me, okay? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Double pulse. Switch. Woo! Soft on that landing. Remember, use those arms. Get some height. Last time for these split squat hops. If it's not burning, that means you need to get a little bit deeper. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Finish on the floor. Woo! Deep inhales, deep exhales. Going back to that balance roll to a boat. Here we go, here we go. Grand finale, guys. Let's go, rock it back. Big hold. Rock it back. Now, if you cannot do that roll backwards, try to just stay put in that boat position as you anchor the belly button into the spine. Woo! Come on, guys. Home stretch. Finish strong. Point those arms. Point those fingers. Big reach forward. You're right there. Done. Okay, now, I know those of you who've been following my videos, you can go through that one more time. I know you can. Either way, you got it done in 12 minutes time. Bravo. All right, make sure to like and make your comments below. If there's anything else you want to see in these videos, remember, I do them for you. Thank you guys so much for joining me. Until the next time.